Good afternoon to all, ma. Our expected age.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Our expected age.
Good afternoon,
Ma.
Meet ourselves.
మా ప్రిన్సిపల్
మేడం మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
Students, good afternoon to all, ma.
Good afternoon.
Okay. The next chapter, animal tissues. The last topic, ma.
సెవెన్ తక్కువ వస్తుంది ఫుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ సెవెన్ తక్కువ వస్తుంది కదా.
Sir, Ilyas sir.
మేడం
అందరిని మ్యూట్ చేసేయండి సార్. In previous class we learned about, okay sir. Previous class we learned about the following topics, ma. Story of blood, types of blood cells, explanation of the RBC red blood cells, explanation of the WBC white blood cells, ma. Today I am going to discuss about the following new topics: types of WBC, white blood cells, explanation of the blood platelets, definition of the blood group, types of blood groups, blood group in lab activity. Okay, I'm going to in the first slide, explanation of the first slide, ma. See all of you. Types of white blood cells, ma. The white blood cells, we divided two categories, ma. We will divide two categories: granulocytes and agranulocytes. White blood cells divided in two categories: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes again, three types are there, ma. Granulocytes again, how many types are there? Three types are there: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. Granulocyte again, three types are there: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. Next, another category, agranulocytes also, again two types are there, ma. Monocytes and lymphocytes. White blood cells divide how many types? Two types. That means two categories are there. The first one is granulocytes. Second one is agranulocytes. Granulocytes again three types. You divide three types: neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil. Agranulocyte again divide two types: monocyte and lymphocyte. These are all classification of the white blood cell is called as leukocytes. Okay, ma, can able to understand? Shall I move to next slide, ma? The first one is granulocytes. Again, three types are there: eosinophil, basophils, neutrophils. I give explanation of the eosinophils, ma. Eosinophils, see in this picture, eosinophil, the shape is bilobed nucleus, ma. Two nucleuses are there, ma. Inside, how many nucleus? Two nucleus are there. Again, WBC is there in the eosinophils, 2 to 4% are there, ma. WBC in there 2 to 4% are there eosinophil. WBC లో 2 to 4% మాత్రమే eosinophils ఉంటుంది. This is one kind of white blood cells. Eosinophils also one kind of white blood cells. Okay, ma. Recruited the sites of inflammation, ma. Main the eosinophils, the main functioning is evolved in allergy and parasitic infections. We know already affected from the allergy, and you can have any microorganism entered to in our body. That means the it helps to eosinophils That is, you can fighting and it protection of ourselves. That is main functioning of the eosinophil. That means the allergic parasitic infections, it produces antibodies. It produces antibodies and fighting any microorganisms, entire allergic microorganisms in their body. But the eosinophils, it fighting and given the protection also. Okay, ma. Next, what is the eosinophils contains eosinophilic granules, ma. And the small structures of granules, it form to eosinophils. The granules, it contains of the major basic protein, ma. The granules also, it contain of the basic protein also. Next, it is terminally differentiated in the between two other white blood cells also. Compared with the other white blood cells, it is differentiated between the eosinophils. Okay, ma. This is the explanation of the eosinophils. Eosinophils is one kind of white blood cell. That means granulocytes. Okay. The granulocytes is one kind of eosinophil. Eosinophil is bilobed nucleus, and in there in 2 to 4% in the WBC or white blood cells. In dedicated out to site of the inflammation also. The main functioning is involved allergic and parasitic infections in control by these eosinophils. And the eosinophils contains eosinophilic granules also. The granules, these granules contain a major basic protein. It helps, that means it fighting towards, it is attack any microorganisms in their body. The eosinophils also, it give the protection and it is fighting towards. Okay, ma. Next, terminally it is differentiated between the other compared to other white blood cells. Okay, shall I move to next slide? Can able to understand all of you? Shall I move to next slide, ma? Okay. The next slide is neutrophils, ma. Neutrophils is one kind of granulocytes. Granulocytes is one kind of white blood cells. Okay. Neutrophils also 50 to 70% of all leukocytes, ma. Leukocytes is called as white blood cells. White blood cells లో 50 to 70% ఉంటుంది న్యూట్రోఫిల్స్. అదే నీకు ఈస్నోఫిల్స్ అయితే 2 to 4% మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. న్యూట్రోఫిల్స్ అయితే ఈస్నోఫిల్స్ 2 to 4%. Neutrophils అయితే 50 to 70%. The neutrophils is 50 to 70% is there in leukocytes or WBC. White blood cells లో నీకు 50 to 70% of neutrophils ఉంటాయి. Okay, what is the main functioning of the neutrophils? We see the important in inflammatory responses, ma. You give some inflammatory responses. What in the give to inflammatory responses? You attack and destroy bacteria and viruses. We attack from any microorganisms and bacteria attack from there in our body, but the neutrophils is destroy of them. That means it is fighting to after it destroy bacteria and viruses. It helps to like that after it gives the protection of our cells. Protection of in their even in our body also. Okay, ma'am. Next, the first cells to respond to infection. How to you can infection of in their body, but the neutrophils is you can identify it and you can fighting after. That means it given the protection, and you can any microorganisms or bacteria and virus enter there in our body, attack in our body. That means you can destroy it. That means you can the fighting of it destroyed. It helps to destroy. అది ఏం చేస్తుందంటే నీ శరీరంలో ప్రవేశించినటువంటి మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ కానీ బ్యాక్టీరియా కానీ వైరసెస్ కానీ డెస్ట్రాయ్ అది చంపేస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ డెస్ట్రాయ్, దాన్ని అక్కడికి అంతం చేసేస్తుంది. ఓకేమా. secreted antibacterial chemicals also, ma. The neutrophils, it secreted antibacterial chemicals also. It is it helps to destroy the bacteria and virus. It helps the antibacterial chemicals. The antibacterial chemicals, it is secreted in the neutrophils. It helps to destroy bacteria and viruses also. Okay, ma? Can you able to understand? This is also in their white blood cells, ma'am. Neutrophil also in one kind of white blood cells. Already white blood cells two categories, granulocytes and agranulocytes. I discussed with granulocytes. Granulocytes you can divide three types: eosinophils, neutrophils, basophils. Eosinophils over, neutrophils is over. Another one type is there. Shall I move to next slide, ma? This is basophils. The basophils also one kind of granulocytes, ma. Granulocytes one kind of white blood cells. Okay, ma. Next, see deep blue granules in basic style, ma. In their blood, the color is indicated in the blue, ma. The blue color granules it form to basophils in their blood. Okay, that the basophils it release histamine and heparin. Histamine and heparin solutions also secreted, and it helps to attack from any the microorganisms in their body. Just the basophils also it given the protection ourselves. It will protection and it can destroy of microorganisms. Next, the less than 1% of leukocytes. ఇది WBCలో less than 1% కంటే తక్కువ అంటే 0.0% లో ఈ యొక్క బాసోఫిల్స్ అనేవి వైట్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ లో ఉంటాయి. కంపేర్ విత్ షేప్ ఆఫ్ ఈస్నోఫిల్స్ లో పోల్చుకుంటే దగ్గరగా ఈ యొక్క బాసోఫిల్స్ కూడా ఈసోఫిల్స్ లాగే ఉంటుంది. That means this is all the explanation of the granulocytes. Granulocytes is one kind of white blood cells, ma. The granulocytes again three types are there, ma. Eosinophils, neutrophils, basophils. Eosinophils also we can discuss it. Neutrophils are discussed. Basophils are discussed. Okay, these are all the three types of granulocytes, ma. Granulocytes is called as white blood cells. Okay, ma. Can you able to understand? Shall I move to next slide, ma? See, already we know types of white blood cells. Two types are there: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. These are all we discussed in the previous slides also. Next, we discussed in the agranulocytes. Agranulocytes again two types are there, ma. Agranulocytes again two types are there: lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes and monocytes. Okay, ma. I will discuss the lymphocyte, ma. See all of you in the see in this slide, all of you. Lymphocyte is a smaller white blood cell, ma. Lymphocyte is one kind of smaller white blood cell. It serves to fight infection along with the immune responses. Immunity means resistance power. You can attack any that means microorganisms in their body. You suffer any illness of in their body, but the lymphocytes it produce, that means it given the immunity responses, and it given to the resistance power also. Okay, next the lymphocyte, the main function is producing antibodies. We know antibodies one kind of fighters, ma. Red blood cells it produce to antigens. Lymphocytes it produce to antibodies. That means white blood cells. White blood cells it produce to antibodies. Red blood cells it produce to antigens. Antibodies one kind of fighters. You attack you entire any microorganisms in their body. Just like you can fighting, and after you can destroy it, and it given to the protection of universals. Okay, ma, can able to understand? నీకు ఏదైనా ఒక ఇల్నెస్ వచ్చింది, నీ యొక్క శరీరంలోకి ఏదైనా మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ లింఫోసైట్స్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇది ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసేటువంటి యాంటీబాడీస్ నీకు ఫైట్ చేసి ఆ మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ తో ఫైట్ చేసి నీ యొక్క బాడీని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తూ నీకు రెసిస్టెన్స్ పవర్ ఇస్తుంది. గివెన్ బై ది రెసిస్టెన్స్ పవర్ టు ఇండివిజువల్స్. ఆ రెసిస్టెన్స్ పవర్ వల్ల నీకు ఏ యొక్క డిసీజ్ వచ్చినా కూడా యు జస్ట్ లైక్ యూ కెన్ బ్యాట్ టు యూనివర్సల్స్. నువ్వు దాన్ని తట్టుకోగలుగుతున్నావు అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ ద యాంటీబాడీస్ ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ టు డిస్ట్రాయ్ ఆఫ్ ద మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ ఎంటర్ దేర్ ఇన్ యువర్ బాడీ. Okay, ma, can able to understand? Next, they make them stick together. That means they make them stick together. What is there like that? They dissolve their cell. The cell membranes. Dissolve in their cell membranes. They neutralize the toxins also. Inside any taxins materials informed to in their body that the neutralize, that means you can exit of the taxins also. Okay, ma'am. Lymphocyte is one kind of agranulocytes. Agranulocytes is one kind of white blood cells. Okay, ma'am. Lymphocyte is one kind of smaller white blood cells, ma'am. It serves to fight infection along with the immune responses. The given by the immune responses, and it lymphocytes, it produce to antibodies also. Okay, the next any taxins also enter in our body, it form to in their body, it exit of them. It helps to lymphocytes. Okay, next shall I move to next slide, ma? Sir, Ilyas sir. Ilyas sir. Next another kind of monocytes. Monocytes also one kind of agranulocytes. Agranulocytes one kind of white blood cells. Okay, ma. The monocytes is largest leukocytes, ma. Largest leukocytes are largest white blood cells. Leukocytes and the white blood cells, and the name is leukocytes. Okay. Next, the immunity cells present in blood with a little ability of the fight infection agent. The monocytes, it helps to fight infections agent, ma. That means one kind of mediator. Enter in our body any microorganisms, just it fight and avoid, that means it destroy the microorganisms in their body, just like it role play to the monocytes, one of the agent like that. Agent, that means mediator. The monocytes also one kind of fighters, and given the protection of individuals and protection of in their body also, any enter the microorganisms and it can attack and destroy of them. Okay, after 72 hours, they enter the tissues to become tissue macrophages also. Any microorganisms enter in their body, enter the cells, enter the tissues, and you can damage of in their internal body and affected from diseases, affected from illness. You can suffer from so much of the painful of the diseases. These are also the monocytes and lymphocytes, the white blood cells also, it produce to the antibodies, and the antibodies is one kind of fighters and fighting to any harmful microorganisms, and given the protection given by the protection of results also. Okay, ma'am. Next, in the tissue, they swell to become large in size, and cytoplasm is filled with lysosomes also. Lysosomes and these are cytoplasm also one kind of tissue, that means discussed with in previous classes also. These are also the monocytes also, it helps to destroy microorganisms. Enter the any microorganisms, harmful microorganisms, it will destroy. Okay, ma, can you able to understand? White blood cells divide two types, ma. Granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes again three types: eosinophils, neutrophils, basophils. Agranulocytes divide two types: monocytes and lymphocytes. Already each one of the every type of the white blood cells we will discuss it, ma. Can you able to understand, ma, all of you? Shall I move to next slide? This is in the last type of blood cell, ma. Already how many blood cells are there? 3 blood cells are there, ma. What are they? RBC, red blood cells, is called as erythrocytes. The second type of blood cell is white blood cells, is called as leukocytes, and third type is blood platelets, is called as, say, the thrombocytes. Okay, the platelets are also called thrombocytes, ma. The blood platelets under name is thrombocytes. Red blood cells under name is erythrocytes. White blood cells under name is leukocytes. Blood platelets under name is thrombocytes. Okay, the blood platelets are not in cells, ma. Not in cells, but they are fragments of the large cells, ma. It only the form of a large cell. and not in the inside of the so many cells are not there, but only the large cell is formed to like that in the blood platelets. And the next in the blood platelet, the absent of the nucleus. The blood platelets not in nucleus, ma. That is the absent. Okay, the blood platelet, the shape is a random shape, ma. The blood platelet, the shape is random shape. What is the size of blood platelets? 2 to 4 micron of the size is there in the blood platelets. Okay. Next, the normal blood platelet counting is in their body 1,50,000 to 4 lakhs, ma. 1,050, 1,50,000 to 4 lakhs of blood platelets there in our body. In our their body, that is the platelets are there. We know you affected from the dengue fever, the platelets counting it decreases. So much of the affected in the peoples. These are also dengue fever వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకు blood platelets counting తగ్గిపోతుంది. మనకు ఎంత ఉండాలి? How much of the blood platelets are there in their body? 1,50,000 to 1,50,000 to 4 lakhs. ఈ మధ్య రేంజ్ లో కానీ లేకుండా మనకు డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతే 1 lakh డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతే డెంగ్యూ ఫీవర్ సివియర్ డెంగ్యూ ఫీవర్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ అవుతారు. అందుకే చాలా మంది చనిపోవడం జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. Okay. The third type of blood cell is blood platelets. The blood platelets another name is thrombocytes. The blood platelets are not in cells, ma. Only the form to large cell, and the blood platelets are not in the nucleus. These are all absent of the nucleus also. The blood platelet, the shape is random, and the blood platelets size we say the 2 to 4 microns, and the normal blood platelet counting is 1,50,000 to 4 lakhs in the normal range of blood platelets in their body. So, come on, can able to understand? Shall I move to next line? The other topic, very important topic, ma, blood groups, ma. Blood groups. We know all of the peoples. We know the A blood group, B positive blood group, A positive blood group. Is it already you entered the schools, ma? You entered the school. You just given by the blood report. Blood report given by the A plus B plus. The blood is indicate the B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O negative, O positive. These are all the types of the blood groups, ma. Okay, what is the main defined from the blood group? We will see in this slide. A blood group is a classification of the blood, ma. What is the blood group? Based on the presence or absence of inherited antigenic substances on the surface of the red blood cells. The red blood cells also you can produce to the antigens. Okay, it basically it divides some so many types are there in blood groups. This antigen may be protein. The antigens also it has a protein, carbohydrate, glucoprotein, glucolipids depending on the blood group system. The red blood cells also it form two antigens. In there the antigens it has a protein, carbohydrate, glucoprotein, glucolipids also depending on the blood group system. Mainly the blood group system depending of the what is like that antigens. Antigens it may be it produce two proteins, carbohydrates, glucoproteins and glucolipids also. Okay, a total of the 30 human blood groups are there, ma'am. 30 human blood group systems are now recognized by the ISBT. What is the stands for ISBT? International System of Blood Transfusion. This is the one system that means International System of Blood Transfusion that identify the 30 human blood groups, ma'am. Okay, across the 30 blood groups, over the 600 different blood groups, antigens have been found. Other 30 groups remaining, the most of we identified it founded by the 600 different types of the blood groups. But shall I can able to understand, ma? Shall I move to next slide? See, mainly the blood groups 4 types are there, ma. 600 is there, but mainly it has a blood group types are 4 there, ma. Mainly 4 types are there. What are they? O, B, A, AB. O positive, O negative. B positive, B negative. A positive, A negative. AB positive, AB negative. These are all main blood groups, ma. Okay, can able to understand, ma? See in these pictures also how the O blood O and group of B and the blood group of A and blood group of AB. These are pictures of the blood groups. How many mainly blood groups are there, ma? 4 blood groups are there. O positive, O negative. B positive, B negative. A positive, A negative. AB positive, AB negative. Okay, ma? Can able to understand? Shall I move to next slide, ma? See, what is the main function of the blood typing? What is the types of the blood? We see, if any person with a type of A blood, ma, one person, it identifies the A blood group, ma. The A blood group of person, the transfusion of the type of B antigens, but that means it donated of the B type of B or type of AB, the donated blood will be clumped in masses. That means the person is will die, ma. ఎవరైనా ఏ గ్రూప్ ఉన్నటువంటి పర్సన్ కి బ్లడ్ ని ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళకి ఈ బి కానీ ఏబి కానీ ఉన్నటువంటి బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు డొనేట్ చేయకూడదు. This is a very dangerous. Do not donate it of the group of A blood person, A group of blood persons. Why? Because the person will die. That is not in the coagulation of the blood. That is not in the combination of the blood. That's why the A group of blood persons are there, but not donated to the B and AB. Why? Because the person will die. ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎవరికైతే బ్లడ్ ని ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ అవుతుందో వాళ్ళకి బ్లడ్ ని మనము డొనేట్, బి వాళ్ళు కానీ ఏబి వాళ్ళు కానీ డొనేట్ చేయకూడదు. ఇంకా ఓ చేయొచ్చు. ఓ ఈజ్ డొనేటెడ్ బై ది ఏ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్. ఏ గ్రూప్ బ్లడ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఓ ఇవ్వచ్చు కానీ ఏ ఇవ్వచ్చు కానీ బి ఏబిలు ఇవ్వకూడదు. దట్స్ వై ఇట్ డొనేటెడ్ బై దిస్ లైక్ దట్ పర్సన్ విల్ డై. అలా ఇచ్చినట్లయితే బి గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, ఏబి బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, ఏ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కానీ ఇస్తే ఆ పర్సన్ చనిపోవడం జరుగుతుంది. That is noted, ma. It is very important. Note this point. Next, the same is the true for a type of B person getting a type of A or blood. అదే నీకు బి గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదమ్మా, బి బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న పర్సన్స్ ఏ నుంచి కానీ ఏబి నుంచి కానీ బ్లడ్ ని గెట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నాట్ ఇన్ ప్రాబ్లం, నో ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్ దేర్. నెక్స్ట్, ఓ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ద ఓ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ యూనివర్సల్ డొనార్. మనము ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఓ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళంతా కూడా యూనివర్సల్ డొనార్స్ అంటాం. ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఓ నెగిటివ్ కానీ ఓ పాజిటివ్ కానీ వీళ్ళు ఎవరికన్నా బ్లడ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. దట్స్ వై అంటే డొనేట్ చేసేయచ్చు, రిసీవ్ చేసుకోకూడదు. కానీ డొనేట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఏ బి గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఏబి గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వచ్చు, అండ్ ఓ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వచ్చు. దట్ మీన్స్ ద ఓ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ is called the universal donor because there are no antigens. The O blood, that means no antigens, so that blood can be donated by anyone. That means O blood group not there in the no antigens, not there in the antigens, but the donated in anyone also, donated to anyone. Okay, ma. Next, the last type of AB group of blood, they consider the universal acceptor. Any other group of bloods, it is accepted. Accepted means received by. AB group వాళ్ళు ఏ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ లో వాళ్ళనైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు, వాళ్ళు రిసీవ్ చేసేయచ్చు. ఏబి ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఏబిను బి ఓ ఏ అన్ని కూడా వాళ్ళు రిసీవ్ చేస్తారు, బట్ నాట్ ఎ డొనేట్, రిసీవ్. యాక్సెప్టర్ మీన్స్ రిసీవర్. దట్స్ వై ద ఓ ఇట్స్ ఏ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ యూనివర్సల్ డొనార్. The AB it's is called as say like that universal acceptor. O blood group వాళ్ళు ఎవరికైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు, AB blood group వాళ్ళు ఏ group blood అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. That is the compare with what is the donor, what is the acceptor. Donor means given by the anyone. Acceptor means getting by these ourselves. That means AB blood group. Okay. because they can be use any other type of blood. This blood type is rarely failure. That's why rarely failure. But the rarest blood type is AB negative. AB negative is rarest blood group, ma. Okay, can you able to understand what is the blood typing, ma? Shall I move to next slide? Okay. Another one, another antigen also it will form, ma, is called as RH factor, ma. We know already four blood groups are there, ma. A blood group, B, AB, O. The four blood groups are there. But the RH antigen also included to the A, AB, O, B. Okay. A RH plus or RH negative or RH positive. B RH positive and RH negative. AB RH positive and RH negative. O RH positive and RH negative. These are all the RH factor is another antigen it found to blood cells, ma. మనకి ఒక RH factor అనేది కూడా another ఒక antigen. Already the red blood cells it produce to the antigens. మనకు RBC లో red blood cells లో antigens అనే ఉంటాయి. That means remaining another it forms to RH factor. That means RH antigens ante extra ga. That means excess of another antigen it found in the blood cells also. That's why the it found to the red blood cells. ఇది ఎక్కడ మనం దీన్ని ఎక్కడ ఫౌండ్ చేస్తామంటే red blood cells లో ఫౌండ్ చేస్తాం. That will identify the red blood cells. That's why RH also one kind of antigen. Okay, ma. Next, it can be the problem if any woman is pregnant and she is RH negative or RH positive. We see RH is one kind of antigen. That means the RH positive is very dangerous, affected from any diseases. RH negative is not in problem. But any pregnant woman, the testing of the blood group, A or B, anything like that. But another, it adding in the RH antigen. ఎవరైనా ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్స్ కి ఈ RH అనేటువంటి అదర్ యాంటిజన్ యాడ్ అవ్వచ్చు, యాడ్ అవ్వకపోవచ్చు. That's why you identify the positive or negative. Positive is very dangerous. We identify the positive cases also. It affects from the diseases. We know all the people's affected from the AIDS. The AIDS patients also inside the RH positive is there. But that's why the blood grouping it identify the AIDS disease is there. But the RH factor is also another antigen. That means not in a already the blood groups are divided to 4 types, including to RH also. That's why only. Okay, ma. Shall I move to next slide? Can able to understand in this slide? All of you? Okay. I will share one blood group activity, ma. What is the blood group activity is there in this slide? Already we requirement of the what is the materials requirement of in this lab activity. Glass slides, needles, blood sample, anti-sera, and 0.9% of normal saline, and filter paper, toothpicks, spirit, cotton, microscope. These are all availabilities of the requirement of the materials, ma, in this lab activity, ma. You identify the blood group lab activity. Okay. Next, shall I move to next slide? This is the procedure, ma. What is the procedure? You take the one pin and you prick the finger. You prick the finger, ma. Just like you pick the finger and place 1 drop of blood and each of the compartments of the A, B, and D. You take the 3 slides, A, B, D slides we will take, and 1 drop of the blood it add the A and B slides, ma. After we label it A slide, B slide, and D slide, and quickly add the drop of anti-sera. Just the blood is immediately formed to clotting. That's why you add the drop of anti-sera. మనం యాంటీసెరాని వేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే అది గడ్డ కట్టకుండా ఉంటుంది. లేకపోతే రక్తం నువ్వు ఇలా డ్రాప్ వేసినప్పుడు అది వెంటనే గడ్డ కట్టేస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే రక్తంలో బ్లడ్ ప్లాట్లెట్స్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి బ్లడ్ ప్లాట్లెట్స్ ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ టు క్లాటింగ్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్. నెక్స్ట్ Quickly add a drop of antisera A and B and D. 3 slides పైన మనం ఏం చేయాలి, యాంటీసిరాస్ ని వేసేయాలి. That's why we respectively what is the observed in this slides. Mix the serum with the drop of blood by moving the slide gently and minute or two. దానిపైన serum ని వేసి మనము already you can have a laboratories, it has a serum solution is there, one chemical substances. These are all serum, it add the blood slides or AB these slides. And after what is the examine it this the examine of the mixtures for the signs of RBC, that means red blood cells accumulation in the aggregation of the clamp formation. What is the formation of the RBC? What is there in the any microorganisms are there or not? Yes or no? There or not? That's why we identify the blood grouping. Any microorganisms are there, is there or not? Is identify the any diseases also we identified. Okay, ma, I will share one video. We will see what is the blood grouping system. See, ma, this is the blood grouping system. Ma. See, drop of blood. Inside RBCW, the red in the round shape are there in Noma. This is the you can identify the red blood cells. Already the antigens it formed to divide two groups, A antigen and B antigen. Antibodies also we divide antibody A and antibody B. Okay, the drop of the blood we will take. We classified in the 4 groups of the blood. Ma. What are the 4 groups of the blood? A, B, AB, O. Just by we form the one table, it will draw the one table form. What is the blood group? What is the form to antigens and antibodies? Can give the blood and receive the blood. Give and receive. Donate and receive. See, AB blood group, the antigens it form to A and B. But antibodies none. Antibodies not producing to like that. But it can given by the only AB. But receive A, B, A and B and O. But A you will see the antigens it produced A, antibodies it produced to B, and given by the అంటే ఇక్కడ A blood group వాళ్ళు A and B కి మాత్రమే ఇస్తారు, కానీ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు A నుంచి O కి మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటారు కానీ వీళ్ళు AB నుంచి తీసుకోరు, ఇస్తారు అంతే. బి వాళ్ళు చూడండి, బి యాంటీజెన్స్ బి ఏ యాంటీబాడీస్ ఉంటుంది, బి వాళ్ళు బికి ఇస్తారు, ఏబి గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తారు, కానీ రిసీవ్ చేసేటప్పుడు బి నుంచి ఓ మాత్రం తీసుకుంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఓ మాత్రం రిసీవ్ ఓన్లీ ఓన్ తీసుకుంటుంది, ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు అందరికి ఇస్తుంది. సీమా ద బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఇస్ విల్ సే ద యూనివర్సల్ డొనార్. ఈ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ అన్ని గ్రూపులకి ఇస్తుంది, ఏ బి ఏబి ఓ అన్నిటికీ ఇస్తుంది. అండ్ ఏబిసి రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటుంది, అంటే మీ అన్ని గ్రూపులు రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ యూనివర్సల్ రిసెప్షన్ acceptor. See, the blood groups also, it contain what is the form 2, that means A blood group antigen and blood containing antibody A. This is also not in the agglutinin. That means the process is called agglutinin. The blood in form 2 like that. That is the forms of the A blood group persons. We will take the A group blood and O. That's why. Okay, ma? See, what is the RH types? Already we know another antigen also it formed to RH factor. This is one kind of antigen. The RH factors also in the there in the RBC red blood cells. See, the blood groups also RH factors also it divide RH negative, RH positive. Plus means positive, minus is negative. See, A, B, AB and O. These 4 groups of blood groups are there now. That RH factor also you can include it. AB, ARH plus, BRH plus, ABRH plus, ORH plus. That means plus means positive. Minus means negative.